but I have nothing but respect for the Stompdown Killers movement. For there to ever be any sort of weird thing going on between Stompdown Killers and Backspore would be absolutely ridiculous. So for us to ever even think of going against each other would be absolutely ridiculous. Snack the Ripper is an amazing MC.
Yo. So I'm just sitting in my house, right? Minding my own fucking business, taking a shit. My boy sends me a screen capture, this motherfucker mad job talking some shit on the internet. 2 minutes later, the post is removed. 5 minutes later, this motherfucker's calling my homies to apologize. Yo, you a motherfucking bitch. First off, let me say I ain't doing this for publicity. Listen to me, let me give these fans a little history. This faggot mad job thought it was smart to start dissing me. You just stepped in a puddle, I'm a spark of electricity. It ain't a mystery, the guy's a snake. Telling your fans that you ain't high, but that's entirely fake. I hear the same shit from show promoters all the time. How you begging them for blows so you can cut another line. Doing drugs is just fine, but you betray a facade. That you were strong enough to quit, but what you claiming is fraud. Go delete another tweet and start praying to God. Cause when I see you in the street, I'm dislocating your jaw. I feel bad for Moke and Brev, what the fuck do you do? Wake up one day and decide to fuck over your crew. I got respect for my elders, but you're an old cunt that deserves to get punched right out of your gold fronts. Hair plugs, Botox, man, that shit is priceless. Drive a car you can't afford, midlife crisis. You fuck groupies too young to get the license. I'm the reason that you fled Canada, I'm ISIS. He's got early Alzheimer's, just sad and alone. He can't remember any lyrics, so he's grabbing his phone. You're feminine, but what's worse, now your cover is blown. With your Louis Vuitton purse and your Italian cologne. I can't stand motherfuckers like you. Douchebag, little man syndrome, like you got something to prove. You're nothing to nobody, just a biter and a goof. 45 acting like you're at the height of your youth. I know some of these battle axe kids feeling the same. You don't do nothing in return, you just steal from them, shame. You think you like me, but we ain't nothing the same. You take advantage of your family for a buck and some change. All of the people you did wrong, the money you owe. Next time you're in my fucking city, I'ma come to your show. You made another bad decision, now you're calling to apologize. This ain't a battle rap, this qualifies as fucking homicide. You mad cause I get more shine in a solarium. Any rapper in your camp talking shit, I'll bury him. Don't want no beef with me, dog, you a vegetarian. I'll cut your head off quick and put your skull in my aquarium. Been trying to hold back, it's a known fact. You asked me to be on your album, I bodied you on your own track. I hear you yapping, but your shit's weak. You say my name again, I'll leave you floating face down in shit's creek. I'm more dangerous alone than rolling 6 deep. You fucked up and now I'm about to turn you into mincemeat. Any diss you planning, man, I already said it. You'll start to regret it, you ain't shit, your bars are pathetic, faggot.
You have one saved message.
Please, Mad Job, give me a call back. If my number showed up, if not, I'll text you. And I'm calling because I realized what I did yesterday was stupid. So I took that text down like 2 minutes later. I made a mistake. So if you want to hit me back, hit me back.